how to quickly identify large files and delete them to free up storage space on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on device care. Next, tap on storage, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on large files. In here, scroll down the list and check all the large files. And if you want, you can select the large files that you don't want to keep, and then tap on delete files. You can delete them, or you can move files to a different location, such as moving them to the cloud and then delete them from your local storage. And that's it. So that is how you can identify large files. Now you can also tap on the more button and then tap on large file size. In here you can set what is a large file size. By default it is set to 25 megabytes. Now you can choose a large file size as 100 megabytes or 500 megabytes, or you can set a custom size such as 40 megabytes and then tap on done. So whenever a file is larger than 40 megabytes, the device will flag them as a large file. And then you can scroll down the list here and review the file. If necessary, you can delete them to free up the storage space. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.